What's up, guys? So we are going to Alamere Falls here in California, and Joyce was saying which is one of two tidefalls here in the United States.
So, a tidefall is a freshwater waterfall that empties out into a saltwater ocean. Well, an ocean is saltwater, so that's what's special about it.
Nice. So, to get here, you are going to be having to hike at least 2 hours. Depends on your pace. We're going to try to hit the 2-hour mark. Try, but it's...
We're almost there.
Yeah, it's been pretty nice so far. Like the hike out here. There's different terrains and whatnot. So we figured that it would probably be best to get a sunset rather than a sunrise, just because of the lighting. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. It's still so weird recording in front of people. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I kind of got used to quick talking to Jay here, but whatever. You won't. Maybe I'll do a video of how to vlog in public. Cause where you at, Jay?
Huh?
Where you at? There you are. Hi, Mom. It is spectacular. Yeah.
Talk about the stones. Look out for it, because you could miss it and overshoot the trail.
So, as Jay was saying, when you're on this trail, you gotta keep your you gotta keep your eyes out for different markers on the ground. So, look out for stone arrows that will point you towards the path of the waterfall, and it is lovely. Because what it does, it forks in a way. There's a path that goes to the left, which is the path that we're on right now, and then there's a path that just keeps on going. So if you keep on going along the path, Joyce was saying that you'll be going out to the lookout. Yeah, don't miss it, because you would waste some time, which if you're coming out here to do the sunset or the waterfall, you'll be missing. Oh yeah, we're really close. I feel like that waterfall's really close. One thing, when you do come out here, you will have no cell phone service. Yes, it's a pain. So to help you out with battery life, with your cell phone, place it on airplane mode. Reason being is because if you don't place it on airplane mode, your phone will constantly be searching, and what that does is it uses up your battery, which is rubbish. Yeah, just a little tip for you when you come out here, because I'm sure you might have your camera, of course, but you'll also be having your cell phone to take like smaller pictures, you know, something like relatively quick. made it. We're here, guys. We made it to the falls, and it is spectacular. You don't want to go down there? Maybe. She's taking pictures. Where's she at? There she is. Jeez. I mean, I could definitely like hide this, you know. So we're gonna put you away. For the reason being, we were walking down, and there's a guy that actually says it gets much steeper than what it is. So I'm not gonna slip and fall and bring you down. Motherfucker, this is harder than I thought. So I'll see you in a sec.
Goodbye!
So we finally made it. One thing you will notice as you're watching the video, there's a ton of people here. So once you get down to the stream, you'll see like little waterfalls. You're gonna be crossing over the stream itself, so on the right hand side. So once you cross over, there's gonna be a path. It kind of goes uphill, and then after that hill, there's actually a trail that leads you straight down onto the beach, which if I swing you around, it's those people right behind me. That is freaking steep. It's like vertical. It's fantastic here. So what we're gonna do for the time being, we're just gonna go around and find some excellent shots to like photograph until like the sun starts setting. We could bring out the tripod. So let's get Jay. She's exploring. Joyce is dancing around so she can keep nice and warm. Don't worry, I'll be doing that dance here shortly. Sun is almost just now setting. It's that golden hour color. It is lovely. Half the people are gone, which is fantastic. Now, what I have been doing to get some kind of shot, because I did realize that it is a little hard, just because when you're standing to get a photograph, your shadow is in its own shot, which is unfortunate. But so what I've been doing, I've been taking my camera. Now I'm on like a fast shutter, maybe like 200ths of a second. Oh, that's really close. Like right now, so if you can see, the water's coming back up and it's receding back into the ocean. So when it recedes back into the ocean, that's when I'm grabbing my camera, hightailing it down there and taking that shot. The technique that I just did, alright, it's not professional, like, I understand that. But, hey, you gotta get the shot, right? Joyce and I were gonna stay here probably a little bit after sunset. Just waiting a little bit longer for these people to leave. And then once they do, I could actually, like, take it easy. I could get no one in the shot. And then once that happens, we get our shot at like the twilight zone. What's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt, but I kind of wanted to explain this next photograph that I'm going to show you. I am very proud of it. It is a fantastic image, which is one of my favorites so far. Okay, so let me tell you the camera settings first. My shutter was at 10 seconds, and my aperture was at f16, and my ISO was at 100. I was shooting in the same direction of the sun, but when you look at the image, what you're going to be seeing is two different white balances. Now I have my camera set to the waterfall, and my white balance was dialed in like the sun, which is about like 5,000 kelvins. And my second white balance is the tide receding back into the ocean, which it gives off like a blue hint to the water. It's the way that the scene was, the sun was just about almost below the horizon, but it pushed enough light onto the cliffs and the waterfall. That's why the waterfall is white. But the sun wasn't able to reach the sand and the water down below, hence why the water has like a blue hint to it. And I think I captured that perfectly. It's a lovely image that, like, you ever see like one of your photographs and know exactly like right there and then which way you want to go? Like, you're seeing yourself become better and better, and I love it. But if you guys are ever like feeling that way with your photographs, let me know in the comments down below, because it's exciting. Like, once you see where you want to go, it just I can't talk. It just like pumps you up. So probably the reason why I didn't bring out the camera and start to record is because this camera that I'm using, the low light performance is not that great. It got too dark, and I didn't want to like crank up the ISO because it gets really grainy. So thanks for tuning in and letting me explain the photograph that I was able to capture but not record on video. So let's go back to California and finish the video off. And then we'll start like hiking back up. Now, it will be another 2 hours until we get to our car. Woo! Yeah, it's gonna be dark. We're in the mountains when we hike back. So that's it for the time being. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and if you did, you know what to do. Leave a like down below, and also comment. Let me know if you guys been to this spot before, if you guys, dealt with crowds before. Let me know. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. See ya. Oh yeah, you gotta say bye. Joyce, you gotta say bye as well. Say bye.
Bye.